potato heads. Give me 1 second. 1 second. So, as you can see right there, they sold for 47. 47 with no payment. I would do 25 at the lowest. 25 at the lowest potato head. And payment was just received for the Hawks. Cards for less. Potato heads was asking about it prior to you getting in here, so he's got first dibs on the Timberwolves. Is there a Joel in here for the Thunder, Jazz, and Wizards? Joel? I'm going to tag it right now. You want Cash App, Venmo, PayPal? Your choice, Potato Head. Your choice. You let me know and I'll post up my name. PayPal. All right, give me 1 second. I'm going to tag it right now. That's the PayPal right there, Mr. Potato Head. Mrs. Potato Head, sorry. Let me cancel this order. Just gonna give everybody a couple minutes to float in. Clippers are available. Oh, I'm sorry. No, the T-Wolves are not. Timberwolves are not. I have the Clippers available. And possibly 3 more. Give me 1 minute, guys. Clips are all yours, cards for less. PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, whatever you want to do. Yeah, I'm looking at the eBay right now. I have one buyer that hasn't paid yet. Just one. So his 3 teams are about to be available also. Just give me 1 minute. I got you. I got you, Mrs. Potato Heads Pops. It's the Thunder. I'll give you guys the 3 teams right now. Just give me 1 second while this loads. Heat in Chicago. Perfect. So the T-Wolves are going to Heat in Chicago. Cards for less. Are you in the break? Do you have another team? Blazers, perfect. Clippers go to the Blazers. There's no Joel in here, correct? No Joel? Joel with the Thunder, Jazz, and Wizards. Yes, no. I'm going to give him another 2 minutes, guys, and if he doesn't respond, we're going to get started. Sorry for the delay. I got you, cards for less. I got you. No, I do not have Mosaic Team Wall. I'm sorry. I wish. Alright, this guy's order is going to have to get canceled. So, Thunder, Jazz, and Wizards. Is anyone interested in all 3 together, or I can split all 3 up? Just let me know. All 3, I'll do $30. It sold for $46 total. Right here. $46 total for the 3. I would do $30 for all 3. Or $10 a team. Cards for less. Let me know if you want all 3. If not, James, I see you want the Jazz. Samuel, Wizards. Chris, they're all yours. Chris wants all 3 for 30. They're all yours, Chris. PayPal, Venmo, Cash App. Let me know, Chris. And Let's Rip is right. Let's Rip is right. Perfect. You have New Orleans? Awesome. Venmo, I'll send you the name right now. There it is, Chris. All right, that does it for all the teams. We are set. As soon as Chris sends, we will start ripping. All right, we are set, guys. We are set. I got it, Chris. You're good. You're good. We're going to get started right now. Right now. All right, if anyone is interested after we do our 2 megas here, I have blasters and fat packs available if anyone's interested. We could talk about that after. Let's get started here. Top or bottom? Someone comment. Top or bottom first? You guys pick. Top or bottom? Which one we ripping first? Cards for Less says top. We're going top. $18 packs of 8 cards, guys. 18 packs of 8 cards in each box. I will sleeve and top load the hits. I will sleeve all the cards. Empty box here. Empty box. Good luck. I'll sleeve and top load at the end to save time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total of 18, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. Good luck. Santiago, what's going on? What's going on? We got Cody Zeller, Hornets. Darius Beasley for the Thunder. Robert Covington for the Rockets. Jarrett Culver, T-Wolves. Frank Nikitalina for the Knicks. We got a Vanity Plates Nikolai Jokic for the Nuggets. Tyrese Halliburton for the Kings, and a Xavier Tillman rookie for the Grizzlies. Like I said, guys, I will sleeve and top load, but to save time, I'm going to do it all at the end. Marvin Bagley III for the Kings. Cameron Johnson, second year for the Suns. TJ Warren going out to the Pacers. Josh Richardson, Sixers. OG Anunoby for the Raptors. We got a Nicholas Batum for the Hornets. Would have been nice if it was LaMelo. Nico Mannion for the Warriors. And a Grant Riller for the Hornets. Michael Porter Jr. for the Nuggets. Colin Sexton for the Cavs. RJ Barrett, second year for the Knicks. Markieff Morris for the Lakers. KD for the Nets. We got a lights, camera, action, Bam Adebayo for the Heat. Patrick Williams for the Bulls rookie, and a Devin Vassell for the Spurs rookie. All right, guys, let's heat up here. Let's heat up. Slow start. Joe Ingles for the Jazz. Davis Bertans for the Wizards. Bam Adebayo again for the Heat. Brook Lopez for the Bucks. Willie Cauley-Stein for the Mavs. Zach LaVine, going to be an all-star for the Bulls. This guy's balling right here. Zach LaVine. Skylar Mays for the Hawks, and a Peyton Pritchard for the Celtics. Peyton Pritchard. Steven Adams, Thunder. Jaren Jackson Jr., Grizzlies. D'Angelo Russell for the T-Wolves. Julius Randle, Knicks. Zion, second year for the Pels. There you go. Got a frequent flyer, Russell Westbrook. This one will be going out to the Rockets. Elijah Hughes for the Jazz, and a CJ Ellaby rookie for Portland. DeAndre Ayton for the Suns. Carmelo Anthony for the Blazers. Devontae Graham for the Hornets. Marc Gasol for the Raptors. Russell Westbrook for the Rockets. Boom. KD, somebody said it too. Somebody said it. KD slam. Going to the Thunder. Chris jumps in, takes all three, and the KD slam hits. KD slam. I know somebody said it earlier in the chat. Nice hit, Chris. Nice hit. Nice hit. Nick Richards, rookie for the Hornets, and Kenyon Martin Jr., rookie for the Rockets. I know somebody said it was Apollo. There you go. I know I read it. Nope, this one is OKC. It's tough to see there with the purple ink, but it's the Thunder. Thunder. There you go. Going out to the Thunder. Nice hit, Chris. Nice hit. Swooped in right there and took all three. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Andre Drummond for the Cavs. Lonnie Walker for the Spurs. We got a Alex Caruso for the Lakers. Karis LeVert for the Nets. Ben Simmons for the Sixers. Ooh. Brandon Clark, second year for the Grizzlies. Thought we had a jaw there. Tyrell Terry for the Mavs. And a R.J. Hampton for the Nuggets. Tomas Bryant for the Wizards. Jimmy Butler for the Heat. Will Barton for the Nuggets. This guy's upside down. Trae Young, third year, going out to the Hawks. Elfrid Payton for the Knicks. Pacers. Domantas Sabonis. This guy's balling this year too. Having a real good year. Precious Achiuwa for the Heat. And Leandro Bolmaro for the Mavs. I'm sorry, for the Timberwolves. That's going out to the Timberwolves. Read it too fast. Pack 9. Halfway point of box number 1. Dylan Brooks for the Grizzlies. Bojan Bogdanovic for the Jazz. Landry Shamet for the Clippers. There's Ja. There he is. Second year. Ja Morant going out to the Grizzlies. Wendell Carter Jr. for the Bulls. Arriving now, Desmond Bane. Also going to Memphis. Nice looking card there. James Wiseman for the Warriors. Nice hit. And a Kira Lewis Jr. for the Pelicans. Nice hit there for the Warriors. Very nice. Anthony Simmons for the Blazers. Miles Bridges for the Hornets. Danilo Gallinari for the Thunder. Drew Holiday for the Pelicans. Jaylen Brown for the Celtics. Upside down. Eric Bledsoe for the Bucks. Another upside down. Vernon Carey Jr. for the Hornets. Again, the wrong Hornet. And a Zeke Naji for the Denver Nuggets. Still searching for LaMelo. Still searching for him. DeJounte Murray for the Spurs. Kevin Huerter for the Hawks. We got Josh Okogie for the T-Wolves. Kevin Knox for the Knicks. Tim Hardaway Jr. for the Mavs. Got a slam. Lakers. Too big, too strong. Shaq. Nice. Nice. Saban Lee, rookie for the Pistons. And a Jaden McDaniels rookie for the T-Wolves. Nice hit there for the Lakers. Shaq Diesel. Tyler Hero, second year for the Heat. Jamal Murray, Nuggets. Kevin Love for the Cavs. Shake Milton, Sixers. Terrence Davis, Raptors. Ooh. Vanity plates, Kyrie. Going out to Brooklyn. Denny Avdia for the Wizards. And yeah, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this one. Onyeka Okongwu. I think I did pretty good there. For the Hawks. Tongue twister there. Zach Collins, Blazers. Rui, second year for the Wizards. Dame Dollar for Portland. Kobe White, second year for the Bulls. Marquise Chris, Warriors. We got a jersey swap. Mo Bamba and Cam Reddish. So that's going to be the Magic and the Hawks. I'll do a raffle randomizer at the end for this card. We'll take care of that at the end. Jordan Nwora for the Bucks and a Jalen Smith for the Suns. Dame time is right. Dame is a savage. Dwayne Bacon for the Hornets. Dennis Schroeder, Thunder. Josh Jackson, Grizzlies. Marcus Smart for the Celtics. Marcus Morris Sr. for the Clippers. We got a Kelly Oubre Jr. for the Suns. Isaac Okoro for the Cavs. And Isaiah Stewart, rookie for the Pistons. Okoro was playing decent in the beginning of the year. Not quite sure how he's doing now. Hassan Whiteside for the Blazers. Jonas Valanciunas for the Grizzlies. We got a Mitchell Robinson for the Knicks. Dwight Powell for the Mavs. Derek Favors for the Pelicans. Upside down. Steph Curry. Chef Curry with the pot. Lights, camera, action for the Warriors. Jamius Ramsey for the Kings. And Alexei Pokusevsky for the Thunder. Derrick Rose, Pistons. Markelle Fultz for the Magic. SGA, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander for the Thunder. Pascal Siakam for the Raptors. Malik Beasley for the T-Wolves. Montrezl Harrell going out to the Clippers. Desmond Bane for the Grizzlies. And Cassius Stanley, Pacers. Still no LaMelo. No Anthony Edwards. No Cole Anthony. Matthew Della Dova for the Cavs. Derek White, Spurs. Otto Porter Jr. for the Bulls. Eric Paschal, second year, Warriors. Danny Green for the Lakers. Vanity plates. Ben Simmons going out to the Sixers. Obi Toppin for my Knicks. Nice. And a Tyrese Maxey, who also was playing good earlier this year for the Sixers. Not a bad pack there. Obi and Maxey. Not a bad pack. All right, final pack. Last pack mojo for the first box. First mega box here. Bogdan Bogdanovic. Kings. Yeah, Maxey's sick. Obi and Maxey. That was a good pack. Dragic for the Heat. Gary Harris for the Nuggets. Reggie Jackson for the Clippers. Dante DiVincenzo for the Bucks. Followed by another Buck. Giannis. Lights, camera, action. That is a sweet looking card. Giannis is such a stud. Such a stud. Killian Hayes for the Pistons and Aaron Naismith for the Celtics. Not a bad first box. Not a great box. Not a bad box. Moving on. Box number 2. Our second and final mega box here. Empty box, guys. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 packs. What up, Justin? What's going on? Move these guys over. Like I said, if anyone's interested in some personal product afterwards, we can talk. But let's finish this second box here. Nikola Jokic, Nuggets. Darius Garland, second year for the Cavs. Big Garland fan. Patty Mills for the Spurs. Paul George for the Clippers. Giannis for the Bucks. George Hill for the Bucks. Back-to-back Bucks there. Desmond Bane for the Grizzlies. And Cassius Stanley for the Pacers. De'Aaron Fox for the Kings. Mike Conley for the Jazz. Luka, third year for the Mavs. Jackson Hayes, Pelicans. Gordon Hayward, Celtics. Frequent flyer LeBron going out to the Lakers. Nice hit there for the Lakers. Another Obi Toppin for the Knicks with a Maxey behind him. Toppin and Maxey again. Nice little combo for the Sixers and Knicks. Sabonis for the Pacers. Batum for the Hornets. John Collins for the Hawks. Tobias Harris. Sixers. Serge Ibaka for the Raptors. Vandy plates for the Lakers. Anthony Davis. Sweet looking card. Very nice. Killian Hayes and Aaron Naismith. Jonathan Isaac for the Magic. Kelly Oubre for the Suns. Draymond Green for the Warriors. Caldwell Pope for the Lakers. Taurean Prince for the Nets. James Harden, Rockets. Lights, camera, action. There we go. Cole Anthony for the Magic. And a Josh Green for the Mavs. All right, we got Cole Anthony. Still need that LaMelo. KPJ, Cavs. Rudy Gay for the Spurs. Luke Kennard for the Pistons. George Hill, Bucks. Lauri Markkanen for the Bulls. Tristan Thompson, Cavs. Tyler Bay for the Mavs. And a Theo Maledon for the Thunder. Rudy Gobert for the Jazz. Troy Brown Jr. for the Wizards. Got Alonzo Ball. Still no LaMelo for the Pelicans. Romeo Langford for the Celtics. Kawhi Leonard, Clippers. AI NBA Slam for the Sixers. Allen Iverson is soul on ice. Very nice. There's Anthony Edwards. All right, we got Cole Anthony, Anthony Edwards. Sadiq Bey for the Pistons. We're just missing LaMelo. That's it. I said Cole Anthony. I said Anthony Edwards. Let's see if we can find that LaMelo. 3 for 3. Terry Rozier. Need that LeBron slam. Jeff Teague, anything LeBron, right? Harrison Barnes for the Kings. Kyle Lowry for the Raptors. Eric Gordon for the Rockets. Kawhi going out to the Clips. Kobe Slam, yeah, that'd be real nice. Trey Jones for the Spurs. Emmanuel Quickley, big Quickley fan. Going out to the Knicks. I'm really liking what I see out of Quickley for my Knicks. Even though no matter what they do, they'll still be trash for eternity. Aaron Baines, Suns. Jeremy Lamb. Big Quickley fan, James. Big Quickley fan. Jeremy Lamb for the Pacers. Anthony Davis for the Lakers. DeAndre Jordan for the Nets. Matisse Thybulle for the Sixers. Another Giannis vanity plate. Daniel Otero. Cassius Winston for the Wizards. Cassius Winston. That's the only reason I bought the Cavs. I'm trying here for you, Apollo. I'm trying. DeMar DeRozan. Do all. Check right now. Yep. You called it. Jeremy Lamb on the front. Zach Collins on the back. DeMar DeRozan for the Spurs. Thon Makar for the Pistons. Aaron Gordon for the Magic. Daniel Gafford for the Bulls. Kevin Looney for the Wizards. Frequent flyer Aaron Gordon going out to the Magic. It's nice. A Duco Azubuike for the Jazz. And a Malachi Flynn for the Raptors. Man, I'll tell you, this year's draft class is a hell of a lot harder to pronounce than last year's. We got some weird ones in there. Deladova for the Cavs. Derek White for the Spurs. Reggie Jackson for the Clippers. DiVincenzo for the Bucks. Otto Porter Jr. for the Bulls. Jersey swap. That's a nice one. Zion and Ja. Where am I from? I'm from Jersey. That is nice. Same as earlier. Could randomize those for you guys. Tyrell Terry and RJ Hampton for the Nuggets. Dirty jersey, LBS. Dirty jersey. Yeah, I'm close to the shore, actually. I'm Central Jersey. I'm like 12 minutes from the shore. I'm not far. Bogdan Bogdanovic for the Kings. Goran Dragic for the Heat. Gary Harris for the Nuggets. Brandon Ingram for the Pels. Thies for the Celtics. Blake Griffin for who even knows where he's going to end up, but this one's going to the Pistons. Precious Achiuwa for the Heat. And Leandro Balmaro for the T-Wolves. Yeah, it's like 22 degrees here right now, so it's not too nice. But in the summer, even though I'm not a big fan of the heat, it's nice. Nice living close to the shore. Brandon Clark, second year for the Grizzlies. Nope. No number. Just a hollow. Brandon Clark. DeAndre Hunter, second year for the Hawks. Juancho Hernan Gomez for the T-Wolves. James Harden for the Rockets. Seth Curry for the Mavs. We got, lights, camera, action, Luka going out to the Mavs. Luka, followed by James Wiseman, another one for the Warriors, and Akira Lewis Jr. for the Pels. All right, come on. We got to have a LaMelo in here. There's got to be. Luka for Big Al. Where is that LaMelo hiding? Evan Fournier for the Magic. Chris Paul for the Thunder. Miles Turner for the Pacers. Kyle Kuzma for the Lakers. Kyrie Irving for the Nets. Lauri Markkanen for the Bulls. Vernon Carey for the Hornets. Wrong Hornet. Zeke Naji for the Nuggets. Kobe Slam followed by a base Melo. I'm all for that. Let's see it. Let's heat up. LaMarcus Aldridge for the Spurs. Blake Griffin for the Pistons. Chris Middleton for the Bucks. Chris Dunn for the Bulls. Andrew Wiggins for the Warriors. We got a Vanity Plates Brandon Ingram for the Pels. Saban Lee for the Pistons. Jaden McDaniels for the T-Wolves. Four packs left, guys. 4 packs left. Yeah, we do need some fire. We need to find that Melo. And we definitely want that Kobe. Duncan Robinson for the Heat. Paul Millsap for the Nuggets. Tristan Thompson for the Cavs. Jason Tatum for the Celtics. Beverly for the Clips. Lights, camera, action. Jokic. Denny Avdija for the Wizards. And Onyeka Okongwu for the Hawks. 3 left. 3 left. Clint Capella, Rockets, Hawks. Scratch that Hawks up top. Rockets jersey. Buddy Hield for the Kings. Austin Rivers for the Rockets. Porzingis for the Mavs. JJ Redick for the Pels. Markelle Fultz for the Magic. Jordan Nwora for the Bucks. And for the Suns, Jalen Smith. Down to the nitty-gritty here. Ricky Rubio, Suns. Malcolm Brogdon, Pacers. PJ Washington, Hornets. Spencer Dinwiddie, Nets. Joel Embiid, Sixers. LaMarcus Aldridge for the Spurs. Cavs, Isaac Okoro. Pistons, Isaiah Stewart. All right, last pack of our 2 mega box break. Don't forget I have to randomize these 2 cards here, and I do have personal boxes there. Just want to say thank you all for joining. Let's hopefully pull something here in this last pack. Sekou for the Pistons. Vucevic for the Magic. Thaddeus Young for the Bulls. Klay Thompson for the Warriors. Dwight Howard for the Lakers. Class of 2020, Patrick Williams for the Bulls. It's the first one we've seen of those. Jamius Ramsey for the Kings. And Alexei Pokusevsky for the Thunder. I'm going to go out and say the first box was definitely better than the second. Just my opinion. We did not get the Kobe. Had majority of the rookies. No LaMelo. No number. No auto or patches in the megas. Nope. No Panini points. No nothing. Just explosion parallels. That's it. Explosion parallels. Let me just check something, guys, because I actually think I put something in the description. If there was 2 players on a team, it might not be a randomizer. Hang on, guys. I'm pretty sure I did it. Yep, I did. So, if a card has 2 players from 2 different teams, that card will go to the player on the left's team unless it is an autograph, at which time a random drawing will determine the winner. Of course. So these cards are going to the Pelicans and the Magic. Pelicans and the Magic for the players on the left. Right here. Just close it up for you. So this is the Mega 10 mega box exclusive explosion parallels. Man, I can't talk today. Per box on average. 144 cards, 8 cards per pack, 18 packs per box. On the back, it tells you what to look for, randomly inserted. Look for autographs from the top rookies and stars in the NBA. It tells you to look for them. It doesn't guarantee them. So we had 2 boxes, no autos. Unfortunately, we did a baseball break last night and had 5 autos and 8 boxes. So baseball took all the mojo last night. Blasters are way better. I actually haven't not opened any blasters yet. I wouldn't know. Let me take a look at them. Fine, 1 autograph or memorabilia card per box on average. Yep. Blasters are definitely the way to go. Blasters are the way to go. Look for blaster exclusive blue and red parallels. Yeah. Yeah, the cello's been hot, Justin. Cello's been hot. Cellos have been hot. Bo Bichette redemption auto out of a cello yesterday. All right, guys, that does it for the 2 mega box eBay break. I'm going to end this video so I could save it and upload it for those who don't have Instagram and were waiting for the video on YouTube. I will restart the live in case anybody wants to dabble with some blasters or fat packs. So give me 2 minutes and I'll restart it. Again, thank you guys for joining. Stay safe, stay healthy. Appreciate the support and have a good night. And for everyone that's coming back, I'll see you in a couple minutes.